Have you always been constantly eating out and just want to learn how to make food? Well, look no further. I can teach you how to make food really fast. The first step in cooking a meal is to know what you want to eat. In my case, I want to eat chicken pot pie. The second step is to get the ingredients. Luckily, I already purchased mine, so we can go to the kitchen and start cooking. We're here in the kitchen, now it's time to do step 3. So, I got my chicken pot pie from the freezer, and it's time to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Okay, now that we have it on here, just simply open the microwave and we just put it in for like 5 minutes. Alright, now we are approaching less than 10 seconds away from getting our meal fully cooked. Alright, well, now it's step 4. Take it out of the microwave and start eating. Wow, this looks stunning. Stunning food. And it only took maybe 5 minutes. And that's it. 4 simple steps to make your own food. Step 1, know what you want to eat. Step 2, purchase the item. Step 3, microwave it. Step 4, take it out of the microwave and eat it.